Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Yes students, today we will do sum number 3 of exercise 12.5. So students, be ready to study with me. Take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes, in sum number 3 there is a conversion. Yes, here in the sums you can see two types of sums are here. Firstly, days, to convert days into weeks. After that, second types of sums are there, month into years, to convert months into years. Yes students, for converting days into week, see how we will do conversion and what things you have to keep in your mind. As already I have told you that firstly we will writing 1 week is equal to 7 days. We were writing weeks firstly and days afterwards, but in the question you can see days are written firstly and we have to convert this into weeks, means days must be written firstly. Yes, so this statement we will write oppositely. How we will write? We will write 7 days is equal to 1 week. We will write like this. Yes, and using this we will do the sums. See how we will do the sum. I am going to solve B part. What is the question? What is the statement? 105 days into weeks. We have to convert 105 days into weeks. So how we will write? Firstly, we will write this. Yes, 7 days is equal to 1 week. 7 days is equal to 1 week, and 105 days is equal to, these both will be divided. These both will be divided, and while writing the division, how we will write? Bigger number divided by smaller number. Yes, 105 divided by 7. Yes, now we will do the division. See how we will divide this. 105 divided by 7. Yes, 7 zeros the 0. Yes, now next digit, 7 ones the 7. 10 minus 7, 3 will be there. Then next digit is 5. 7 5s the 35. Yes, now here we got this answer. This 0 we will ignore, and here we got 15. With 15 we will write weeks. We will write weeks. Yes. Yes friends, now see how we will do part D. For doing part D, you can see in the statement there is that month into years. We have to convert month into years. Firstly, I have told you, yes, 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. But here in the statement you can see months into years. Firstly, months must be written. Firstly, months must be written, and after that years. So this statement we will write reversely. How we will write? We will write 12 months is equal to 1 year. Yes friends, so now we are going to solve this sum. 144 months into years. Yes, 144 months into years. Yes, we have to convert this. So how we will write? Firstly, we will write 12 months into 1 year. Then 144 months is equal to, these both will be divided. How we will write this? 144 divided by 12. Yes friends, when you will divide this, you will get 12. See how we will divide this? Yes, firstly we will write 14. Here 12 ones the 12. Then 2 will be there. Yes, this 0 we will ignore, and next digit is 4. We will bring it down. Now it has become 24. 12 2s the 24. Yes, 24 minus 24, there will be 0. Now here which answer we will get? We have got 12, and with 12 we will write years. In 144 months there are the 12 years. Yes friends, hope you have understood this concept. Do the practice of these sums daily. Yes, obey your parents. Do the homework daily. Hope for your best. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.